Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some groundbreaking updates regarding the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. With recent leaks, official confirmations, and key specifications surfacing, there's a lot to unpack. Nintendo has officially announced that the Nintendo Switch 2 will be unveiled on April 2, 2025. This major event is expected to showcase the console's design, features, performance enhancements, and potentially some exclusive launch titles. However, even before the official unveiling, a wealth of information has already surfaced, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect. Let's break it all down. Nintendo Switch 2. Official confirmation and release date. Nintendo has set the official unveiling for April 2, 2025, and this event is expected to be a massive moment in gaming history. The company has been extremely secretive about the successor to the Nintendo Switch, but recent leaks and insider reports have confirmed several key details. While Nintendo has not yet revealed an official release date, insiders speculate that the Switch 2 could launch in September or November 2025, aligning with Nintendo's historical release patterns for major consoles. Design and hardware upgrades. One of the biggest questions about the Nintendo Switch 2 revolves around its hardware and design changes. From what we've learned, the console will retain its hybrid nature, allowing players to use it both as a handheld and a docked console for TV gaming. Amiibo and NFC support. A crucial confirmation is that NFC functionality will remain intact, meaning continued Amiibo support. The built-in NFC reader will be embedded in the right Joy-Con, much like the original Switch. While the Amiibo market has slowed, Nintendo appears committed to maintaining backward compatibility for players who still use them. New Joy-Con and controller improvements. FCC filings indicate that the Joy-Con controllers will receive hardware upgrades, including enhanced durability, better ergonomics, and improved connectivity. This could address issues like Joy-Con drift, a long-standing complaint from users of the original Switch. Dual USB-C ports. A standout feature is the inclusion of two USB-C ports, one at the bottom and a new port on top. This gives players more flexibility when charging, particularly for tabletop gaming. While the second USB-C port will primarily function for charging, it also raises questions about potential accessories or expansions Nintendo may introduce. Nintendo Switch 2 performance. What's under the hood? A significant upgrade for the Nintendo Switch 2 is its Wi-Fi 6 support. This is a major leap from Wi-Fi 5 on the original Switch, offering faster download speeds, reduced latency, and improved online gaming experiences. With AAA games like Call of Duty confirmed for the Switch 2, a strong internet connection will be vital for seamless online play. Other leaked specs include a custom NVIDIA processor with DLSS support, providing enhanced graphical fidelity and performance, an improved OLED display for the standard model, which may also lead to a Switch 2 Lite or Pro variant down the road, backward compatibility with Switch 1 games, ensuring gamers don't lose their digital libraries. Potential Nintendo Switch 2 games and launch titles. Nintendo hasn't officially announced a launch lineup yet, but reports suggest that the Nintendo Switch 2 will debut with an impressive lineup of first-party and third-party titles. Some potential games include The Legend of Zelda, Echoes of Hyrule, Super Mario Odyssey 2, Metroid Prime 4, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare on Switch 2, Pokémon Legends ZA, New Mario Kart installment. Third-party AAA games optimized for Switch 2. Will there be a Nintendo Switch 2 OLED or Lite? Given Nintendo's history, there is strong speculation that we will see multiple models of the Nintendo Switch 2, including an OLED version and possibly a Lite version for handheld-only gamers. This approach follows the successful Nintendo Switch OLED model, which was praised for its brighter display and improved battery life. If an OLED Switch 2 is in development, it could mean that Nintendo launches the standard model first and then introduce an OLED variant later in 2026. Additionally, a Switch 2 Lite could serve as a more affordable, handheld-only alternative for players who don't use the docked mode. Backward compatibility. Can you play original Switch games on Switch 2? One of the most anticipated features of the Nintendo Switch 2 is backward compatibility. While Nintendo has yet to confirm this outright, industry insiders and leaked patents suggest that Switch 2 will be compatible with digital Switch 1 games. However, the situation with physical cartridges remains unclear. Nintendo may require new cartridges for certain titles, or they may introduce a digital upgrade program for previous-gen games. Nintendo Switch 2 pricing and market strategy. Pricing for the Nintendo Switch 2 is still speculative, but industry experts predict a price range between $399 to $449. This price point would reflect the upgraded hardware, enhanced connectivity, and next-gen gaming capabilities. If Nintendo does release multiple models, we could see varied pricing strategies. Final thoughts. Is the Nintendo Switch 2 worth the hype? With confirmed hardware upgrades, a powerful new processor, Wi-Fi 6 support, dual USB-C ports, and an impressive potential game lineup, the Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be a major step forward for Nintendo. While we still have to wait for the official unveiling on April 2, 2025, the leaked details already suggest that this console will be one of the most anticipated gaming systems in years.